Hello everyone, welcome to day 1 of our 7-day English challenge. If you are trying to improve your English by memorizing hundreds of words every day, it's time to turn over a new leaf. Learning English is not about studying harder, it's about studying smarter. Many students think fluency is a piece of cake for others. But the truth is that every fluent speaker starts exactly where you are today. So here's today's challenge. Just learn 10 useful words, but don't stop there. Use each word in a meaningful sentence. That's how you will pick up new vocabulary naturally instead of forgetting it in the next day. For example, if today's word is confident, don't simply repeat the meaning. Say, I am becoming more confident every single day. When you speak like this, your vocabulary starts to sink in and English become a part of your daily life. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Every expert was once a beginner. Keep your chin up and remember that progress is more important than perfection. If you miss a word today, don't give up. Tomorrow you can always brush up on it. Constancy is what makes the difference. By the end of this week, you will realize that improving English is not a rocket science. It simply requires the right strategy and regular practice. So learn your 10 words, speak them aloud 3 times and use them in your daily conversation. If you do this every day, you will be one step ahead of where you were yesterday. I will catch you in the next video for today. Until then, keep practicing and never stop believing in yourself. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe and hit the comment below so that I know you like the video and want more videos on this topic.